By daily measuring your temperature right after you wake up, you will be able to predict your fertile window in a couple months' time. iProven's Basal Body Thermometers show your temperature in 2 decimals and will make tracking your cycle easier. iProven's BBT 113 AI is chosen as #1 basal thermometer by Mom Loves Best. How to use iProven's Basal Body Thermometers. The moment you wake up, grab your BBT from your bedside table and start measuring. Make sure to place it under your tongue, near the center, and don't forget to close your mouth. Wait for 60 seconds till the beep. Read the temperature and write it down, or save it in a fertility app. Clean the thermometer and turn it off to prolong battery life. The thermometer saves your last reading. Easily recall it by switching your BBT on again. What is your fertile window? Your temperature is at its lowest at the start of your cycle. The day after you ovulate, your temperature rises and stays higher till the end of your cycle. You are fertile for 24 to 48 hours before your ovulation, but sperm survives up to 5 days in the reproductive tract. The 5 days before your temperature spikes are your fertile window. Several things can influence your measurements. Less than 4 hours of unbroken sleep. Moving around before taking your temperature. Checking your temperature at a different time than usual. Factors like stress, illness, and drinking alcohol can influence your cycle. Make sure to note these things down to avoid confusion later. iProven's Basal Body Thermometer is the tool you need to get a better grip on your cycle.